here we go, guys. Whoa. Wow, guys, that was sick. That was sick. What? It looks even better in real life, guys. So yeah, hopefully just a little, just a very quick video. Well, about 2 minutes long, because there's another one coming on. Let's put it on. Okay, guys, so we're setting off some more fireworks.
Whoa.
Guys, I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of smoke over there. Really quick video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys later.